Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are trying to log into TikTok or reset your password and keep getting an unrecognized device error, TikTok's security system has temporarily flagged your phone or network as suspicious. I have verified the latest workarounds, and I will show you exactly how to bypass this block right now. Let's get started. First, TikTok tracks the internet connections you frequently use to verify your identity. If you are on cellular data or a brand new Wi-Fi network, the system might block your login attempt. Connect your phone to a trusted, familiar Wi-Fi network, such as your home internet, that you have previously used to watch TikTok. Once connected, close the app completely, reopen it, and try logging in or resetting your password again. Next, if typing in your standard email or phone number is still triggering the unrecognized device block, you can often bypass the device recognition filter entirely by using a third-party linked service. On the main login screen, select Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, or Continue with Facebook. If you previously attached any of these accounts to your TikTok profile, this method bypasses the password screen and instantly grants you access. Finally, if you are still locked out, corrupted tracking data might be causing the persistent error. Go to your phone's system settings and clear the TikTok app cache, or completely delete and reinstall the app. If the error still pops up after a fresh installation, TikTok has placed a temporary security freeze on your account. You must stop attempting to log in, wait exactly 24 to 48 hours for the security flag to naturally expire, and then try again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.